In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Excel, a powerful integration that can help automate your workflow and enhance productivity. Whether you're looking to streamline processes or simply looking for an easier way to manage tasks across different platforms, this guide will walk you through the setup in just a few easy steps. First, what you'll want to do is navigate to the Zapier website and log in. Zapier is an online automation tool that connects your apps and services, allowing them to work together seamlessly. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But if you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials to access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on Create in the top menu and then select Zaps from the drop-down list. A Zap is an automated workflow that connects your apps and services, and creating one is straightforward thanks to Zapier's user-friendly interface. When creating your Zap, you're offered the choice of creating it manually or getting help from AI. If you're new to Zapier, using AI to guide you can be a great help, but for this example, let's say we're going to do it manually so you have full control over the customization. The process begins by defining a trigger, and to do this, click under the Trigger section to bring up a list of applications that you can choose from. Since we're focusing on Excel, select Excel as your application. The trigger event here will be New Row. This option will monitor your Excel sheet, and whenever a new row is added, this event will trigger the workflow. One crucial step not to miss is connecting your Excel account to Zapier so the integration works efficiently. You'll be prompted to do this as you configure the trigger. Next, we'll set up the action for our workflow. For this demonstration, let's go with Slack as our target application. The action event we want is Send Channel Message. This means that whenever a new row is added to your Excel file, Zapier will automatically send a message to a Slack channel of your choice. Just like with Excel, you also need to connect your Slack account to Zapier. Remember to have your credentials ready, as Zapier will request them to authenticate and establish the connection. Finally, before wrapping up, it's essential to test your Zap to ensure that the automation works as expected. Run a few tests to verify that a new row in Excel results in Slack receiving a message in the specified channel. Once satisfied, go ahead and publish your Zap to activate it. And there you go. You've successfully set up an automated workflow using Zapier to connect Excel and Slack. With this Zap in place, you've taken a big step towards enhanced efficiency and seamless communication across your tools. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more ways to optimize your work processes.